Hello, what's up? Draego here. And you are watching The Draego Show. If you love dragons like me, then, in this video, I am going to show you guys how to customize your Android phone, dragon style. So, if you guys are going to enjoy this video, then give a like, and join Team Draego by subscribing to my channel, and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications. First of all, I am going to show you how to customize a Redmi phone dragon style, because I have a Redmi Note 5, and after that, I am going to show you how to customize any other Android phone dragon style. If you want to customize your Redmi phone dragon style, then download Nova Launcher app and go into MIUI theme and download this dragon theme, and also download this dragon wallpaper. Apply all the things, and set up Nova Launcher, according to you. And, after that your phone has become totally dragon style. Show you how to set up other Android dragon style. To do that you need to download Nova Launcher and the dragon wallpaper app. After that, apply the dragon wallpaper and set up your Nova Launcher according to you. After doing all those things your phone will become dragon style. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it. If you wanna see my gaming videos, then check out my other YouTube channel, which is Draego. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if